Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing an all orchid artificial. Let me start over. Today I'm going to be doing an artificial all orchid bridal bouquet, cascading bouquet. Ooh, it's a big title right there. So you can get these bouquet cages. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, but you can get them at any craft store. And they come without foam in them, so I'm going to fill it with some dry foam. Um, then I'm going to secure the cage closed. They have like little clamps on them, or look, not clamps, but almost like buttons that they kind of lock into. But just to make sure, because that would be horrible if all of a sudden the top of the bouquet just fell off. So I always like to double check and put some either hot glue or some kind of wire or both to make sure that they're locked in nice and tight. Um, and then I'm going to start adding in my orchids. So my plan was to do all orchids and then just maybe a little bit of greenery. And I don't know if you can see the burgundy feathers down below. That was just something that caught my eye at the craft store. And of course, I got these flowers at my favorite place, Hobby Lobby. Um, and I just couldn't resist getting the feathers. I thought it brought out the noses of the orchids so nicely. So the ones that are hanging down low towards the ground, cascading forward, especially, you want to definitely make sure that they have hot glue on them. If you don't hot glue anything else, that's fine, but gravity's really going to grab those stems right there because they're already pointing to the ground, kind of spilling out. So just to make sure, you always want to hot glue those that are tumbling forward. And then I'm just going to work in the shape of the bouquet that I want. And typically I do like a top side and then a spill forward, but these are all the same flowers, so I'm not too worried that it's going to be an issue. But I don't know if you can see right in the middle of the bouquet where there's two orchids facing each other. That's where I'm going to turn the noses to face each other, and that's going to be your focal point. Because once you break up that pattern of the orchids all facing in the same direction, that's going to be where your eyes are going to go the most. So starting at that point, I'm going to be twisting the orchids in a different direction towards the back. So that kind of creates, like I said, your focal point, gives the eye somewhere to rest. And then from around there, I'm just working in all my orchids. Like I said, I got these at Hobby Lobby. They often have 40% off their individual stems. And if you miss that sale, just wait like about a week or two and they'll have it again. So it's just the cycle that they do. So you can make this bouquet relatively inexpensive. I know here in Michigan, orchids fresh are super pricey. So a bouquet like this would go for hundreds up by me. But if you do it in all in silk, they look really identical, realistic, um, and it saves a ton of money. And you can do it ahead of time. So um, if you have a tropical destination wedding, this would be awesome to make, and then you could travel with it too, and you have a beautiful bouquet to keep and remember the moment. So I'm adding in these feathers, and I rearranged them after after I finished the bouquet here on the video, and you can kind of see it with the final picture at the end, just because they ended up being a bit bigger and a little bit more showy than what I had expected. But I do love how they give the bouquet some movement to it. Um, Even fresh orchids tend to be a little stiff, um, but definitely the artificial ones don't really move that well. So having something that's going to kind of float and flutter like these feathers do is nice to have. It just gives it a little bit of life as you're walking around or down the aisle, or And then I'm just working in a little bit of spiral eucalyptus to try to fill in those open holes. You could also put a bit of moss on the bouquet holder before inserting any of the orchids to kind of hide that cage. I just want to kind of cover up my mechanics so you can't see the foam. But putting together an all the same flower uh, bouquet is really simple and easy to do. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching.